In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Loop. We'll start from a fresh browser and finish with a clean export of your page. If you're brand new to Loop, don't worry. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. In the results, look for the official Microsoft page titled something like Microsoft Loop, Collaborative App for Microsoft 365. Open that page to get to the official site, which ensures you're using the latest secure experience. On the Microsoft Loop page, select Get Started with Loop. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can create one if you're setting this up for the first time. Make sure you use the account associated with your work or school if your content lives there, as that determines which workspaces and pages you can access. Once you're in the Loop app, you can either create a new workspace or open an existing one. A workspace is essentially a container for your pages and components. If you're creating a new workspace, add a page where your content will live. If you already have a workspace with the page you want to export, simply open that page. Before exporting, give your page a clear title so the export is easy to identify later. A descriptive title also helps if you share or archive the file. Then, add or refine your page content. Exports reflect what's on the page, so this is a good moment to tidy things up. Collapse or expand sections the way you want them to appear. Remove any placeholder blocks, and make sure your text, tables, and checklists are organized and readable. When your page looks the way you want, head to the top right area of the page and click the three dots, sometimes labeled More Options. This menu holds actions related to the page itself. From that menu, choose Print and PDF Export. Loop will prepare your page for a printer-friendly and PDF-ready layout. You'll see a preview that reflects how the page will appear when exported. It's normal for highly interactive elements to be flattened into a static view in this format, so focus on legibility and structure here. If something doesn't look right in the preview, close it, make quick adjustments on the page, and open the export option again. And that's it. You've navigated to Microsoft Loop, opened or created your workspace and page, organized the content, and launched the print and PDF export. Thanks for watching and enjoy your neatly formatted Loop export.